How Vygotsky and Piaget inform teaching today. Ever wonder why modern classrooms encourage group work and hands-on learning? You can thank Vygotsky and Piaget for these innovations. Vygotsky and Piaget transformed how we teach by showing us that learning happens in stages and through interactions. In Piaget's view, hands-on learning is crucial. A child in the pre-operational stage learns best through play. This includes counting blocks or role-playing scenarios. By the concrete operational stage, kids thrive with logical challenges. These challenges include solving math problems or conducting science experiments. Piaget's work reminds us to match teaching methods to a child's developmental stage. Vygotsky's ideas bring collaboration into the picture. His concept of the zone of proximal development is why teachers use scaffolding. This involves breaking down tasks and offering support until kids can do it on their own. For example, in a classroom, a teacher might pair stronger readers with emerging ones to help build skills together. Together, their theories encourage classrooms to balance independent exploration with guided support. Group projects, discussions, and hands-on activities create opportunities for kids to learn both socially and individually. Today's pedagogy is a blend of their insights. It fosters curiosity, collaboration, and critical thinking in students. How do you see these methods in your child's or students' learning? Share your thoughts in the comments. Follow for more insights into education.